Differences in cuisine between different cultures. Cuisine is an integral part of any culture, reflecting the traditions, history, and values of a community. As our world becomes increasingly interconnected, with people from different cultures living and working together, it is important to understand the differences in cuisine between different cultures. In this article, we will explore some of the key differences in cuisine between different cultures, and how these differences reflect the unique histories and values of each community. Ingredients. One of the most obvious differences in cuisine between different cultures is the ingredients used in cooking. Each culture has its own unique set of ingredients, which are often influenced by factors such as geography, climate, and agriculture. For example, Mediterranean cuisine is known for its use of olive oil, garlic, and fresh herbs, while Asian cuisine often incorporates ingredients such as soy sauce, ginger, and sesame oil. Another factor that influences the ingredients used in cuisine is cultural and religious beliefs. For example, in Hinduism, cows are considered sacred, and beef is therefore not consumed. Similarly, in Judaism, pork is not consumed due to religious dietary laws. Spices and seasonings. Spices and seasonings are another important aspect of cuisine that varies widely between different cultures. Spices are often used to add flavor and depth to dishes, and can also have medicinal properties. For example, Indian cuisine is known for its use of spices such as turmeric, cumin, and coriander, which are thought to have healing properties. In contrast, Western cuisine tends to use fewer spices, instead relying on herbs such as parsley, thyme, and rosemary. This reflects cultural differences in taste preferences and culinary traditions. Cooking techniques. Cooking techniques also vary widely between different cultures, with each cuisine having its own unique methods and traditions. For example, Mediterranean cuisine often involves grilling or roasting meats and vegetables, while Asian cuisine often involves stir-frying or steaming. In addition, some cultures have developed unique cooking methods and tools. For example, Mexican cuisine uses a traditional mortar and pestle, called a molcajete, to grind spices and make sauces, while Japanese cuisine uses a variety of specialized knives in cooking. Utensils. Meal structure. The structure of meals also varies widely between different cultures. In Western cultures, meals are typically divided into courses, with appetizers, entrees, and desserts served separately. In contrast, in many Asian cultures, meals are served family-style, with a variety of dishes shared among the diners. In addition, different cultures may have different mealtime customs. For example, in Spain, it is common to have a large midday meal, called a siesta, and then a lighter dinner later in the evening. In Japan, it is customary to say itadakimasu before a meal, which is a way of expressing gratitude for the food. Cultural significance. Finally, cuisine often has cultural significance, reflecting the history and traditions of a community. For example, in Italy, food is central to family life, and meals are often enjoyed together as a way of strengthening family bonds. In India, food is not just sustenance, but also a form of spiritual practice, with certain foods and